Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie's Spy Squad outfit on Dress to Impress. Removing everything except for the ones I did adjustments on. I did use VIP and I did use the top model robe item, but you can go without the robe. I'm just trying to make it a little bit more accurate. For the hair, I used this in EEB 670, no adjustments made. This one in bangs only in this color. Yeah, okay. Position the X at 0.55, Y 0.53, Z 0.45, and scale it the same. Grab this belt from the cowboy one, color it this pink first, D74570, and then toggle it to the second one once you've colored everything. Position the Y at 0.65, Z 0.4, rotate the X to 0.53, and scale it to 0.46. Grab these glasses from VIP and color it this color, FF74C7, in see-through, and position the Z at 0.49 and scale it to 0.39. For the outfit, I used this tab here from VIP, colored it this color, 6224B9 in silk, and then for the zipper, I colored it, I think this pink color. Then I added this skirt on in that same color in silk. Used these in like a darker color in silk as well, and then grab these shoes and color them. Okay, make sure there's no feet toggle in this color in silk. Wait, this one, sorry. And then that again in silk, and then silk. Then I think I did black here for the laces. Actually, I'll do this but just a little bit darker, like that. Then I used this coat here in this color in silk. And then you can stop here if you don't have the top model robe, but if you do, just toggle it to the second toggle instead. And get the robe here in opaque, select silk, and color it the same for everything, and then put the waist tie on ribbon. I think I might make the ribbon a little bit on the darker side. You can see it quite a bit. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.